In our previous lecture, we have worked with video overlay cutaway. Now this time, if you want to display these two video clips in a time, then you can easily do this with the video overlay split screen feature. Simply select the first one and click on video overlay settings. And then from this drop down menu, choose split screen. Now let's see the preview. Now if you want to change this video position, then you can do this. This time I just simply change my position, video position from left to right and increase the slide value a little bit. Now let's see the preview. Awesome, right? Must remember one thing. To see this video overlay option, make sure that from the timeline, you select the top of your video clip. Otherwise, it will not be visible. Alright, so this is basically the use of split screen all about. Using this feature, you can easily add different type of super cool effect in your movie. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.